afternoon, WRCC fans, and we haven't done one of these for a while. It's absolutely stunning, fresh restoration. So it's a Maroon B 1969 Traveller. As you can see, absolutely superb. Paintwork's absolutely great. The underside's body coloured, I'll show you that in a minute. It's got brand new 5.5-inch wheels, new hubcaps, new Kumho radial tyres, new paint, new wings, new ash frame, new chrome. Go around the all important West Riding stickers, as you can see. You can see me in the background. So absolutely stunning condition. I dare say show condition. Not going to use the P word, but it's very close to that indeed. Superb bodywork, paint's lovely, no bubbles, chips, nastiness, as you can see. Nice paint on the roof there. So spec wise, this is where it starts to get even more interesting than how beautiful it is. So it's 1275 Mariner engine, as far as I'm aware. It's got a carb upgrade on it, so it's got a big carb. Alloy radiator. It has got disc brakes on it. It has got a Midget diff in it, so it absolutely flies. It makes it lovely to drive. There you go. So mechanically upgraded, mechanically overhauled, all new bushes, new exhaust, new trunnions, etc on it as well. So I'm going to get on my knees for once and show you the underside. So there you go. Absolutely eat your dinner off it condition. There you can see. So all new fixings and stuff on the springs, new springs actually. There you go, and I'll go around the front when we go around the front as well. So body coloured under there, nice and clean. I'll go around to do the front from the front, and then we'll go inside. Just because I don't want to. There you go. So, as I said, all new under there. Absolutely superb. Right, so that's the underside. So you can peace of mind. It's all been repaired, restored, and perfect. No, not perfect. I never say that. Very, very good underneath. Obviously, nothing's ever perfect. So, new interior, new door cards, new pulls. Brand spanking new Suffolk reclining seats there. As you know from all my videos, they are very expensive. 74,000 miles on the clock. There you go. New glove box liners, new headlining fitted as well. Yeah, I'll just wait a minute. Climb over. So new rear cards, seats are all in good order. New rear headlining, new carpets. I'll show you those. So they're all custom made and in lovely order. Start her up. Sounds really well, as you can hear. Runs really well. Alloy radiator, all new hoses. Electronic ignition, still on dynamo, which could fit an alternator if you want, and it hasn't had a servo upgrade, but we can do that as well. Got a pancake filter or a K&N filter, as you can see there, or a K&N style filter, so that's all good. Let's take it off choke. So it can tick over. So as you can see, it is a K&N filter. There you go. And it does tick over nicely. There you go. So, have a look in the boot. As I said, it's a very, very, very nice car. Inside of the door's nice and clean, as you can see. New ash frame fitted. Inner wings there, all tidy. The boot floor's all clean and tidy. And insulated in there, and a new carpet liner. So the build spec's good, and it's had thousands and thousands of pounds spent on it to get it to this standard. So we're offering it at, I'll go around the back, we're offering it at 21,895, which is a bargain given the condition and the amount of work that's gone into it and the amount of money that's gone into it. We will take Morris Minor's part exchange. Want more details? Visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Give us a call 01422881221. Email inquiries at West Riding Classics. Obviously this video will be on social media. When you ring through, option 1 sales, I'll be happy to speak to you, answer any questions you've got. Be quick, run up here, get in your car, cycle here, come and have a look here at West Riding. She'll be in the showroom until she's not in the showroom. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks guys.